Okay, we grind all the tacks on any of our torch welded two-stroke pipes, so we'll have a completely uniform weld that'll look exactly the same. A lot of extra work, but that's why the difference in the look. Not four-stroke, guys. As you can see, I didn't use the helmet when I'm stitching. I can get a better stitch there. We use several techniques. We MIG the brackets. Here we stitch, which gives it a little less heat from the torch, and it's stronger. Same on our nameplate. So there's an 88, 89 Tax 125, and we like building them. The other thing, a few little tricks when I'm doing my torch welding. I've got this cut into the bench. I have another magnet here so I can slowly rotate. That way I can always keep it hot. The other trick is a small torch handle. It's a W200 with a number 2 tip. That gives me a finer flame front. So along with the grind and a lot of little tricks, gives you that look. And it also gives you a little better performance because we have, well, I can't see inside, but that was torched. We have no weld hanging down, so you have good flow. So, and you two-stroke guys, we still have jigs for all the older bikes and quads. Thanks.